Last time on Frag Studios.
Oh, fuck. What are you gonna make? I'm gonna make bitches and immortality.
Oh my god, it's an actual literal 3D printer. I said, no bitch. It's not working.
Currently.
Holy fucking shit! Thank Christ I asked for immortality. Whew, I hope I can make it to land from here. Whew, what a ride. Thanks, Shark Uber. Hello?
Hey Dan, how's it going? So, I got burritos, and I got Monster in my mini fridge. What do you say you get down here and we record some Let's Plays, huh?
Ooh, yeah, sorry, I'm gonna take a rain check on that. I'm busy repairing the continuity of our universe.
Okay, you're busy, I see. Pardon?
Oh, yeah, it's a long, complicated story. Basically, there was an explosion, trying to make God, repair. I'll tell you later. Right now, I just gotta get it all fixed and repaired.
Okay, man, I'm gonna go play video games then.
Yeah, you play video games.
I wonder what he meant when he said he was trying to fix our reality. Huh. Well, that certainly explains the earth-shattering ambiance. But wait, then how did I get this burrito? Well, might as well not question it.
Alright, now I gotta get another one of those 3D printers to fix all this. Hello?
Hello and welcome to Hell Depot, your one-stop shop for arcane madness.
Yeah, I'm getting another one of those 3D printers.
Alrighty, sir, that'll only cost you
30 virgin souls.
Come on, the last one was still under warranty.
I'm sorry, sir.
Hell's a bitch.
Okay, fine, just charge me my fucking account then.
Very well. Your package will arrive in Duck.
Duck? Oh!
A few moments later.
Creation! Alright, now I can't help but feel I'm forgetting something. And that's how it all happened.
Wow. That's one hell of a story. Can't believe I was in purgatory the whole time. Wait a minute, are you still immortal?
Oh no, I lost that in a poker game.
What? Who'd you lose it to?
God fucking damn it! King on the river! Ah!
Double or nothing.
Why do you need two? How do I give you two immortality? Why do you need two?
I don't need. I see what I want and I take it.
You bet your immortality in a poker game and single-handedly lost the most useful thing we had!
Fucking king on the river.
Okay, your bullshit gambling habit aside, we need to get rid of this printer, okay? It was fun while it lasted, but we nearly destroyed the world this time. Again.
I'm way ahead of you. Whoop. There we go.
Yeah, that'll totally work.
Yep, totally safe.
No way that's gonna show up in a later episode.
Ha ha ha!